So, online retailers keep an enormous amount of items in stock. Amazon.com, for example, has more than 200 million items available in their inventory. This leads to a problem. Given the limited screen space, which of these items should Amazon display to its customers? Based on what Amazon chooses to display or not display, it's going to influence what customers end up purchasing. A customer might even leave if Amazon doesn't display an item that they want. This is part of a more general problem. We can imagine a company that has many alternatives available to it, but there's only a limited number of resources. Which alternative should the company select? The alternatives and the limited resources can be anything. For Amazon, the alternatives are items, and the limited resources are limited screen space. The thing that needs to stay constant is that these companies are going to make selections that are going to best satisfy their customers. This is the problem I want to solve. I want to tell Amazon which alternative to select in order to best satisfy its customers. My objective is to design some algorithm that's going to solve this problem. An algorithm is going to be some automatic process that Amazon can use in order to select the best alternatives. Unfortunately, designing an algorithm for this problem is very hard. The issue is customers. Customers are going to react to the alternatives that we select. When they do react, the company has to somehow take this into account. For example, a customer comes to buy something at Amazon, but maybe Amazon could have displayed something else, and this could have made the customer happier. Or maybe they could have left. Amazon needs to very carefully consider which alternatives to present to this customer. So my thesis is going to get through all of this by something. So my thesis is going to sort of design this algorithm. I have the first set of algorithms that can take into account these customer reactions and can actually tell Amazon which the best alternatives are to take. Hopefully, in the future, as these algorithms are developed further, they will start to become technology, and Amazon will start using them as sort of a core business model. Thank you.